Imagine asking a machine to plan your next vacation, and it returns a perfect itinerary. What hidden systems make this possible? At the heart of every smart AI agent lies 6 critical internal components working together, transforming simple text into finished projects. First is the brain, the reasoning engine. Think of powerful minds like Gemini or GPT-4. These models take your request, interpret its meaning, and decide the best approach. Without the brain, there's no intelligence to drive the process. Next are the tools, acting as the agent's hands. These external APIs and coding modules let the agent interact with the world. Whether that's searching the web, running calculations, or updating spreadsheets. For tough math problems, AI uses tools like Python instead of relying on guesswork. Memory is the backbone of continuity. Short-term memory keeps track of the current conversation, ensuring the agent doesn't repeat itself or forget instructions. Long-term memory, stored in specialized databases, allows for recalling facts across weeks or even months. Planning bridges vision with action. When you tell an agent to book a trip, it breaks down the big goal into actionable steps. Searching flights, checking hotels, syncing calendars. Techniques like chain of thought enable the AI to map these steps logically, thinking through each phase out loud. Reflection and feedback empower self-correction. After an action, the agent reviews its results. Did the tool succeed, or is a new approach needed? By double-checking outputs, it catches errors and reduces hallucinations, delivering reliable answers. Finally, guardrails and safety serve as rules of the road. These mechanisms enforce boundaries to prevent mistakes, ensuring the agent acts responsibly every step of the way. Together, these 6 components define the intelligence, adaptability, and reliability of modern AI agents. Understanding them reveals not just how AI completes tasks, but why each part is vital for turning your vision into reality. So these are the 6 components to build an agent. In the next video, I'll explain the next core pattern, React Loop Explained, so stay tuned and enjoy the journey of building agents, and if I have not yet watched the previous videos, I would suggest to watch. Make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning and more to come. NUAA-TECH videos. Thanks you and see you next videos. Until then, stay fit and healthy.